美国流行音乐的天后泰勒斯，甲伊的旧妻男朋友订婚咯。伊的歌名是《欢喜甲袂孤立》。
美国演艺界收到一个重大消息，就是流行音乐天后泰勒斯订婚啊。
Your English teacher and your gym teacher are getting married.
泰勒斯伫美国时间8月26日，伫 Instagram 顶管宣布，甲职业美式卡球 NFL 的球星凯尔斯订婚。打出两个人当做会相片，结婚手指是凯尔斯甲珠宝商共同设计，价值上千万新台票。当时配以出名的歌曲《So High School》，文章充满着幸福。
I'm so excited. I love you so much, girl, and please invite me to your wedding.
泰勒斯即宣布订婚，美将是欢喜不分。文章打出去无偌久，就超过2000万人甲起赞。相片中穿的喜事礼服嘛随便了了。当然过去北发文章讲讨厌泰勒斯，佮嘛伊无穿的美国总统川普也改变态度。
I have to tell you the biggest pop culture news of the year broke while we were in this cabinet meeting. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift are engaged, and the world wants your reaction, sir.
Well, I wish him a lot of luck.
Thank
No,
you.
I think he's a great player. I think he's a great guy, and I think that she's a terrific person. So I wish them a lot of luck.
泰勒斯甲凯尔斯已经交往2年多，两个人定定出现伫对方的球赛或者是演唱会同甘必甜。8月中，泰勒斯才甲凯尔斯做伙宣传新的专辑。
It just comes from like the most infectiously joyful, wild, dramatic place.
最近2礼拜，两个人甲公布好消息，嘛互美将甲球迷更加期待，这对甜蜜的爱情会举办什么款的婚礼，带行向人生新的阶段。
Hello， 我是林仙怡。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。